2 weeks of learning artificial intelligence. We're still in the first month, that is about math. So this week was about calculus numbers. Don't worry, it's very simple. You need the very basic stuff. There were just 2 points: probabilities of numbers and types of numbers. I think most of you know this information, but you have to watch these few videos. It's very short. This is the playlist I did watch, and it's in Arabic. And for English, you have to watch these videos. This one and this one. This week is very easy. Actually, it's not even a week, but it's okay. This video was very short, but in the future we will get more deep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.